In this video we will be learning about set function and set attribute function. So set function create a set in Python. So let's create a empty set. Okay. So you can see here we have printed an empty set over here. So let's print a string. Okay. Set of, let's say we are taking the string as Python. So you can see an unordered set over here. So let's print a set from the tuple. Okay. So I am going to take a tuple over here of vowels. Okay. So you can see here the set of vowels. So let's print a tuple from a list. Okay. So we are again taking the vowels itself. So you can see the set. Okay. So let's take now a range. Okay, range of 5. So you can see a set of 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So now let's create a set from a set itself. We are going to take the set of, let's take AIOU. So you can see the set over here. So let's take a dictionary now. Set of a dictionary. Okay. So let's take the key as A and value as 1. Similarly to 3, 4 and 5. So you can see all the keys of the dictionaries. So let's take a frozen set. Frozen set equals frozen set of. Okay. So let's take AIOU. Let's print the set of frozen set. Okay. So you can see here the set. Okay. So now we'll be creating a set for a custom iterable object. Let's take a class PrintNumber. Okay. And I'm going to define a method named init. We'll take self and max as the argument. And here I'm going to put self.max as max. And then we'll define another method iter, self as the argument. Okay. So we'll assign self.num equals 0. Okay. Then return the self. Okay. So let's define another method next. Okay. We'll take self as the argument. So let's make if statement if our self.num is greater than equal to self.max. Okay. Then we will raise the StopIteration. Okay. And we'll increment the self.num by 1. Okay. And we'll return the self.num. Okay. So now we'll make a PrintNum as an iterable. So print_num equals PrintNumber and we'll put 5. Okay. So it will print the numbers till 5. So set of print_num. So let's see the output. So you can see 1 to 5. Okay. So now let me comment our next function, that is set attribute. Okay. So this set attribute function sets the value of the attribute of an object. So let's see how set attribute function work in Python. So I am going to create a class named person. Okay. And let's name the person as, let's say, Anant. Okay. And then I am going to assign p equals person. Okay. So let's print the before modification name p.name. Okay. And then we'll set the attribute, okay, to, let's say, p, and then the name, and then we are going to change it to, let's say, Akash. Okay. Here also it will be name. Okay. So let's print the name after modification. So p.name. Okay, so let's run it. So you can see the name has been changed. So let's see when the attribute is not found in set attribute function. So let's create a class person. Okay, the name will be, we'll put the same name, Anant. Okay, and then p equals person. Now we'll put the set attribute. Okay. P, and then we'll change the name to, let's say, Akash, and then we'll print the p.name. Okay, so you can see here Akash. So let's set an attribute which is not present. Set a attribute. Okay, and then let's put p comma age, and then let's put the age as 22. Okay, so let's print the p.age. So you can see here 22. So you can check all the attributes of an object by using the dir function also.